So today we are going to perform our fourth experiment on switch and LED in Arduino playlist. So according to our fourth experiment, we have to interface 5 different color LED and 5 push button switches with the Arduino Uno. And if switch 1 is pressed, then only one LED should keep on blinking. Okay, until the next switch is pressed. And if the next switch, that is switch 2, is pressed, then two LEDs should simultaneously blink until the next switch is pressed. So I hope you understood the question. Like switch 1 is pressed, then once LED should blink until next switch is pressed. So let me show you the circuit. Circuit will remain the same as the previous one only, so you can duplicate it. And now we'll go to the code. And now in code there is only slight change. See, these all are the integers that I have taken. I for loop, and in void setup 5 pins for input, 5 pins for output. And in void loop we are checking if vt1 means vt1 equal to digital read of 13. So we are first of all reading the signal at digital pin 13, and if it is high, the data will be stored in vt1. And then we will check if vt1 is equal to high, then while vt1 is equal to high, this loop will run. Jab means until what, the value stored in vt1 will be 1, then the this loop will keep on working. And in this loop only I have given a one sentence: if digital read of 12, means if the signal at digital pin 12 is high, equal to 1, that is high, then this loop will terminate, break. And if it is not high, then this loop will work like a digital read 7, digital write 7 1. So we will pass high signal to digital pin 7, then delay off, and then a digital write means a low signal will be passed for 0.5 second. And if bt1 is not equal to high, then these low signal will be passed, means the LED will be turned off. Now we will check for the other condition. Then if vt2 equal to digital read of 12, if means high signal is passed at digital pin 12, then this loop will work. Then in this loop also we will check, means this will, while vt2 equal 1, this loop will work until the value of vt2 will be high. And if digital read of 11 means at digital pin 11, if the value is high, then this loop will terminate, break. And if it's not, then this loop will keep on performing. And means a high signal will be passed in 7 and 6, and after 0.5 second a low signal will be passed, means the blinking will keep on happening. And if it is not if we don't give a high signal to digital pin 12, then this else statement will work out, means 7 and 6 low signal will be passed, means all the LEDs will be off. And now for third we will also check digital read of 11. If at digital pin means at button 3, if a high signal is passed, then we will have given the loop that for I equal to 0, I less than 3, and I have not given the condition I plus plus, means the value of I will remain 0 only. So it is a kind of infinite loop only. So like this also you can give a loop. In above loops I have used while loop. Now here I have deleted the upgrade statement only, so this will become an infinite loop only. So now in this also we will check if digital read of 10 equal to 1, then this loop will terminate, otherwise this will be keep work as infinite loop. So all these 3 LED will keep on blinking. And then like that only we will check for other two also, vt4 digital read of 10, and after that we don't need to check. So for vt5 equal to digital read of 9, in this we don't need to give the condition for breaking this loop, as there is no further button or LEDs that we have to blink. So all the LEDs will blink as this 5 button will be pressed. So let me show you the simulation. Now I'm pressing the button 1. See, LED 1 is blinking. It will keep on blinking infinite time. Now if I press button 2, then you can see 2 LEDs are blinking simultaneously, and until I press the button 3. And if we use multiple buttons, then we have to press buttons for 2-3 times, so high signal can be passed to that button. This is the property of the button only. And now I am pressing button 4. You can see all the 4 LEDs are blinking simultaneously. Now the last button, 5th, and all the LEDs, let me show you, all the 5 LEDs are blinking simultaneously. It's working properly. So I hope you liked it and have a great day. Bye.